Hello, in this video, we will be comparing Miro and Whimsical, two popular visual collaboration tools, especially in design and brainstorming workflows. So Miro, it is a comprehensive, feature-rich online whiteboard platform designed for team collaboration. You can use it to create flowcharts, wireframes, mind maps, Kanban boards, and so on. It supports real-time teamwork and integrates with tools like Slack, Jira, and Google Workspace. Miro's strength lies in its scale, and you can zoom out and create massive maps, roadmaps, and frameworks with multiple collaborators in just one space. Whimsical, on the other hand, it is more focused and lightweight. It offers simple tools to create wireframes, flowcharts, sticky notes, and mind maps in a clean, minimal interface. It is built for speed, simplicity, and solo work or small teams who want to produce quick visual concepts without distraction. Use Miro if your team needs deep collaboration features, templates, and integrations across large projects. Choose Whimsical if you value ease of use, simplicity, and a quick sketch and go workflow. And that's basically it. If you found this comparison helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.